I'm sick to my stomach.
17 people lost their lives. 12 people within the building. 2 people lost their lives in the hospital. There are people that are still undergoing surgery.
I was coming from lunch and I was in the classroom, I was sitting down and all I heard was pop, pop, pop. And they all made us run to Westglades, and when they were prepared, we have drills for that, right? It was at least 7 shots, and then after I heard the shots, I was leaving, and when I was leaving, I heard like at least 2 more.
I believe about an hour after he left Stoneman Douglas.
He was a former student of Douglas High School. He got expelled for disciplinary reasons. I don't know the specifics. I think he might have surfaced at Taravella High School. We're still trying to confirm that. And this morning when he woke up, whether he was a student or not, I don't know. He had countless magazines, multiple magazines, and at this point, we believe he had 1 AR-15.
Vision right now, you're going to see scenes of children running for their lives. This happens nowhere else other than the United States of America. This epidemic of mass slaughter.